Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, December 18th, 2022. We saw the market under some selling pressure on Friday, and I used it to start building my position. We got long right in this area here, so we did go further down, I mean, we have bullish divergences right now, so this bounce made sense, but you can look right here. There really was no major support levels. They just kind of held. I was kind of anticipating that we were going to get a move somewhere down into the 3,800, and we still might because this isn't really any kind of solid bullish divergence. Even though it's a little bit here, I'm thinking that the bullish divergences on the 15 should bring us up somewhere up into the, let's just say, the 3880, 3900 level, and then come down and then make its way to the 3800, where everybody will pretty much just give up on the Santa rally, and from there it will just really set the table for a very nice short squeeze, and have everybody chasing the market on the upside. But right now we just want to be a little bit careful on things. So if we end up coming up first, and we break through important resistance, then we're just going to wait for a little bit of a pullback to start building our position, but it will be on the upside instead of the downside where we're layering in. So right now, we're a little overbought right now with the end, like I say, the last 2 hours of trading. We saw, pretty nice little rally off the lows. So it's a little overbought right now, but I wouldn't be surprised to see us open, to get up to this 3,900 level. And if we just look at it from an Elliott wave perspective, and this is why I'm looking to build a position on the long side, is we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would be our wave 5. Now there's a chance that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we already made it. And from there, I'd be looking for a move back up somewhere into the 4,000, 40, 30 level. So that's really what we're looking at on that, on what we need to do to get through. So if the bulls can step up and start, this is really, if you look at the 60-minute chart here, this is, say, the bull bear line for the bulls to get over. It's going to be right at that 39, 38 level. You can see we have crossing moving averages. So if we get through it, it would just open the door for a test somewhere up into these levels. So really, my game plan is pretty simple right now. If we come down, I'm going to start looking at the other, the next pivots below to start adding to the position, and we just want to leave the door open, for the possibility that they're going to close this gap at 37.67. So if we come down and we get to the 3,800, I may take another third there, and then if we get down to that to the 37.60 or 64. Maybe even a little bit lower, just fill it from there. And if we head up, then we're going to wait for resistance, come down, and support to hold before building it in. So I'm leaving the door open for a bounce and then a drop, and that would set up the bullish divergences on the 60-minute chart. But we've seen a lot of lows made without any bullish divergences, and that's one of the reasons why I started building my position on Friday. It's one of those things that just kind of makes sense from here. I think everybody was all bulled up looking for the Santa rally. I actually thought it started here too, and I was looking for the pullback, but this, just accelerated to the downside. So now everybody that bought up here are trapped, and they're giving up on any kind of Santa rally. But it starts right around this area, and it's after Christmas is when it really kicks into gear. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Look for these support levels. The next ones are going to be the 3,800, and then the open gap is down at the 37.70. This is the resistance zone, 39.09 down to 38.81. If they get through that, then we're looking at a move up to the 39.30 level, where we're going to test the bull bear line. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.